throw out, communicate, express myself. This has always been what I needed, ever since I was a kid, and I used to take up the pen to write, because writing was the only way I knew to throw out what I had inside, lighten the weight that I carried upon the chest, dissipate the fog of inquietudes. So I used to write, and I kept writing until a new air blew the fog away, and then I put down the pen. And meanwhile, there was the music. Penelope and her paper airplane flying lightly towards the moon. I have always lived the music as a privilege, having the chance to express parts of myself that I would never even have the chance to know in everyday life. Then, finally, I started to travel, going beyond my borders and opening up to the world, finding new keys to understand reality, learning new languages to communicate. Travel along new roads and discover many small parts of myself spread here and there, under the Mexican sky, like in the Maghreb desert, in a Brazilian favela, like on a beach in Thailand. And along with travel has arrived photography and the chance to fix in images the emotions and the sensation experienced on the way. Time passes by. I am no longer the little boy who held the pen in his hand, almost as if it were the only safe handhold to avoid to be dragged away by the power of the flow. But the need to throw out, express myself, communicate, is always here, with me. And so, almost casually, I discovered videomaking, a way of expression that includes everything: writing, music, photography, travel. Because this has always been what I needed. Throw out, communicate, express myself.